Hi friends, how are you? Good to see you. So I'm going to take C, A, and T. Look at that. C is red, A is blue, and T is light green. And we're going to try and read it together. Are you ready? I am walking down the street and I'm about to meet the letter C. And we're going to read it. Cat. Let's keep walking down the street. I'm walking down the street and I'm about to meet cat. Cat. Let's try to switch it up a bit. What if I take away the letter C and put it back? And what if I replace it with the letter H? Pink H. H-A-T. H-A-T. I am walking down the street and I'm about to meet hat. Hat. Let's do it again. I am walking down the street and I'm about to meet hat. Hat. Okay, let's try something else. I'm going to put the letters back. A goes back and T goes back. And what happens if I take B, O, and X? Look, we have light blue B, light green O, and we have X in red. B, O, X. I am walking down the street and I'm about to meet box. Box. That was so good. I am walking down the street and I'm about to meet box. Now let's change it up a bit. I'm going to put the B back and I'm going to take the letter F. We changed it just a little bit. Dark green F, light green O, and X in red. I am walking down the street and I'm about to meet fox. Fox. Now my friends want to help me? Yes? You want to walk down the street? Okay. I am walking down the street and I'm about to meet fox. Fox. Wow, thank you for joining, my friend. That was so much fun. Okay, let's put them back. F, O, and X. Let's take R. Let's take U. And let's take N. Look at that. We have yellow R, we have blue U, and we have green N. Okay, you want to try it? Okay, I'm proud of you. We are walking down the street and we're about to meet run. Run. Now we're going to get creative. We're going to take R and let it rest with you just for a little bit. You're going to hold on to R, okay, right here. And we're going to take the letter F. Hi, F. Green, F, blue U, and green N. We are walking down the street and we're about to meet fun. Fun. This is fun. Now look something interesting. S wants to play too. S. Hey, can I play too? Sure you can play. How about we take turns? Okay. R wants to play too. So F and R are going to wait right here just for 1 second and S is going to join. green S, blue small u, and small letter N in green. And we're gonna walking down the street, and we're about to meet sun, sun. And then sun goes to the end of the line and R jumps in. Run, run. And now look, R goes to the end of the line and F jumps in. Walking down the street and I'm about to meet. Fun, fun. And look, looks like it's S's turn again. And sun. And run. And fun. Do you see how the letters are taking turns? That is so good. Now let's put them back. Thank you for playing so nicely. You did so good. And R goes right here. And U goes right here. And N goes right here. Let's see what else we can do. Let's do one that is just a little longer. F, O, R, and K. Okay. F, O, R, K. We have green small f, we have light green O, we have yellow R, and red K. We are walking down the street, and I'm about to meet fork, fork. And let's switch it up. Can I take turns? Yes. Okay. I am going to be where you were and sit in your place. That's okay. I'll wait right here. Pork, pork. This is small letter P, and we just switched it up, so it sounds a little different. Fork, pork, fork, pork. Thank you for helping me learn the small letters and learn a few words. See you next time, friends.